today's Webdadi video tutorial, we'll explain the difference between pages, items and links and the relationship between them. Firstly, pages, as the name would suggest, are the literal pages of your website. You can add a title, a subtitle, and a main body of text to your page. You can also add media to the page that will appear behind the title. This information will then be output on your website in a basic layout with the title, media, subtitle, and content displaying online. Much like Microsoft Word, you can add images, videos and tables to the main body of text within your VIA software that will then be output on the website if you choose. Adding a page in this way is a great way to quickly create a simple page to display key information that you need. However, what if you want to make the design of your page more complicated and get away from the basic template page layout? This is where items come in. Items are modules that you can add to the page, enabling you to create a huge number of page designs and layouts. Items come in a range of formats to choose from, such as contact or valuation forms, a featured property carousel, or tiles. They can all be added to your pages in any order you choose, and they form the building blocks of your Atom website. Here you can see a range of different items that have been added to the homepage. They've been used to create tiles of information, a valuation form, as well as featured property section. You can see here how items can be used to create a whole host of different designs, and can even have animations and hover effects applied to them to further customize your web page. Finally, we come to links. Links are used to create your website's main menu, and also used to create the footer. Your main menu and footer will appear consistently at the top and bottom of every page of your website and are a vital part of its design. Links are simple ways to create the tabs and the subtabs of your menu or the columns of your footer. You create a simple label, and as the name suggests, specify where you want that to link to. This can be a page of your website or an external URL. So to summarise, pages are the main pages of your website. Items are modules that can be added to a page to help you further design and format the page. And links are where you create your main menu and your footer and link them to your website pages.